Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. Excuse my appearance. So I just got back from the gym, which is why I look awful, and you can see, now if you've been with me for a while, you know that my skin stays pretty clear. I've got breakouts everywhere. That one's ridiculous. Over here, all around my chin, I am literally more broken out and along my nose than I've ever been. Like maybe since I was a teenager, maybe then I was this broken out, but it's ridiculous. I'm very red because I worked out, and this is not good lighting, but you know what? I'm gonna go with it because it's just me. And I just opened up a new Glam Glow Super Mud. You guys, this is my favorite mask for pores and for breakouts, and I'm gonna take what's on the lid because it is precious, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this mask on, and this will kind of hide the scariness. That doesn't smell very good, does it, Manners? He wanted to smell the mask. So yeah, I basically just used what was on the lid there. Whew, my skin is really reactive right now because I usually get like a light tingle from this mask, and it's like, whew, it's intense right now. But I know that it's doing what I need, so I'm just gonna go with it. It'll cool down in a little bit. But yeah, I worked out for over an hour. I watched the latest installment of Shane's video and worked out. It was like 48 minutes long, the video, and then I did a 7-minute warm up beforehand, and then I did a 10-minute cool down, so a little over an hour, basically just on the elliptical. I just really wanted to get like the blood pumping, heart racing, create some endorphins, all those good things for your body. I'm gonna grab my yoga mat and I do kind of crunches, do some lunges, do some exercises for like the butt, the abs, things that I didn't do at the gym today that I can do here at home. And I'm gonna pop on Sex and the City, the original movie, and then I'm gonna take a shower and film a video because I need to do that too, because it is very therapeutic for me. It's enjoyable, and I feel like I'm connecting with a bunch of friends. So that's how I view you guys, in case I've never said that before, and you guys are just the best. So thank you for watching the start of this vlog. More to come, and I will definitely vlog more this week. If I keep it up and keep talking like this, it's gonna be a very, very long vlog. I don't know why I'm talking with my hand, but yeah. I will be here for you guys, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you are most excited to see here on my channel. I know that my like one Halloween look, I've fallen off, but it didn't really get a lot. I don't think people are as interested, and I don't consider myself like the most amazing artist by any means. But if there's things you want to see me do, by all means, let me know, because I love doing stuff that you guys are really gonna watch and get into and interact with, and I love that. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching so far, and I will see you in a minute. Hey guys, I look a mess, I know. I was just driving with the windows down and the sunroof open. So yeah, today is Friday, and I'm so happy to say that I feel a lot better today. I don't feel perfect, but it is so great to have some relief from the way that I was feeling. Something feels like it was very off with me the last few days, and I was like obsessively thinking about terrible things, and I really don't know where that stemmed from, but I've got it in my head that these feelings started a few days after I started taking something, but I don't want to put that in a video. Some of you guys may know if you watch every vlog, but I stopped taking something that I started, which is just a supplement, nothing crazy. And as I stopped and was off it for a couple days, I started feeling better and feeling less like anxious, and feeling like this weird feeling in my like abdomen that just, it felt like tension. And I don't know, I'm gonna stay off of it for about a week. I'm gonna try to introduce it back because I am like 99.9% sure it has nothing to do with it. It was just like odd that it happened at the same time, and I really don't want to say what that is because the chances are that there's not related at all, and it was just some weird like maybe hormonal thing going on with me. I don't know. So I'm gonna try it again in a few more days. I want to wait and just let my body feel okay and make sure that, you know, I'm not having ups and downs, and I'm actually like feeling better, you know, hopefully permanently. And then I will try it again and more than likely reintroduce it with no issues because I really don't think it's related. But anyway, so I had some recommendations from different people of some natural things that I could try to help, and I only got them last night, and granted, I do feel better. I felt better last night and today, but I don't want to just equate it to this because this is just something natural that I took last night, honestly, and I took a little bit today. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I got from Walmart the L-theanine, I don't know. I picked up that, which you take 1 capsule daily with a meal, and then I also picked up some St. John's wort, and these are both just supposed to be good for your overall mood health. It says it supports mood health and emotional balance, and then this other one says it's amino acid that enhance endocrine function to gently promote relaxation without drowsiness. So I thought that hopefully this would be, even if it was just a very slight improvement. As of yesterday, like at work, I was still feeling very weird, very anxious, crazy thoughts. Like I could not turn the brain off. Like the brain was working a million times harder than the body was, and yeah, it was just too much. So I'm gonna just continue to try these out. Let me know if you have any experience with either of these. I don't know, I don't take really any medication. Sorry if that's like TMI, like I don't care about your medicine, but I don't really take any medication at all, and I'm a person who doesn't take it unless I really need it, so that hopefully I don't have any like tolerances and I don't want any side effects, you know. But if you have any experience with either of these, then let me know. I'm curious to know if this is helping, but it's just one of those things, like you take it and you hope it's working, I guess. But I'm curious if you guys have any experience with it. So I'm home now. I have about an hour or so before Zach gets home, and I know I was talking like a lot about me, but honestly, without him this last 10 days or so, I don't know what I would have done, because he's been like super supportive. He's been so supportive and literally like the rock that I needed, because I was losing it felt like, and thank goodness. And I've also, you know, I was able to talk to my parents, and that was helpful too, but you know, he was here every day dealing with it and doing everything he could to make me feel better. So yeah, I don't want you guys to think that I'm like not mentioning it or anything. I was just so in my head that I wasn't thinking about talking about that, at least. So yeah, everything else is good. I have no complaints. Sally wants to say hello. Do you want to say hello? Hi. But anyway, I'm going to get into some comfy clothes and relax. I do have a couple videos that I want to film. I look like total mess today though, so I think tomorrow I'm actually going to do like a Day of the Dead look, and Sunday, tomorrow's Saturday, and Sunday I think I'm just going in for a meeting at night, and I don't think I'm really working, but I'll probably film a video. But I have a underwear haul, and I also have a Lush haul to show you. Hey, crazykins. Is this what you're gonna do now? Yeah, okay. Love the camera. She's ready for a close-up. Okay, all right. Don't claw me. Hey, there we go. It's a sweet girl, I know you can be. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna relax for a little while, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Monday, and if I haven't shown you, I have a Lush haul to film with cool holiday stuff. Let's say hello to the kitties. This is Tina. Hi. Hey baby, mwah, the pretty bean. Sniffles is using our very sophisticated corner scratcher. Hey, I ordered that from Wish for $2, and they love it. Okay, Miss a Minutes? Don't run away, Miss a Minutes. I got some blue light blockers I'm gonna show you. Hey, Minutes, do you want to say hey? Okay. Mwah, good boy. And then Sally. And then Sally Welly. Okay, so these are my blue light blocking glasses. I don't know how I feel about them, because like it's hard to know if they're doing anything, I guess, but they're supposed to be for like computer, cell phone, all that stuff. If you guys know anything about them or have used glasses like this, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna pull those up. So I've been crying a little bit, but I'm still doing better. I just got a call from my mom and they had to let go of one of their dogs, and it's just really sad. His name was Slick and he was just the sweetest black lab. I would come over, and obviously I had lived in the same house, but still every time I would come to visit, even if it had been months when I lived away, come in and he would like hug you. It was so cute. But if you just knelt down, he'd put his little arms around you. Stop. And he was just a very sweet dog. And yeah, he was old though. He was around 15 and started having some seizures, and yeah, just was no longer having, oh, ow, quit scratching me, devil. He was no longer having a good life, and he was suffering and things. So yeah, they said goodbye to him this morning, and it's just really sad because, you know, you see a sweet little innocent creature like Sally who's trying to claw us, and have to say goodbye. It's rough. And him and my dad were just like best friends. He wanted to be everywhere that my dad was, and it's just really sweet. If you guys have pets, you know how it is. It's just, they become, at least for a lot of people, like your family, and that's how I am with my cats. I love them so much, so I try not to think about that in that way. I had some big plans. I was going to go work out, shower, video, and I don't know, that just kind of put a damper on my day and my mood. So I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm gonna relax for a little bit longer, and then I don't know if I'm gonna try to film a video or not, or I may just go ahead and edit this vlog now and then start editing another video as well, just to, I don't know, I can focus on editing right now, but I'm not in the perfect mindset to just film. So I think that's what I will do probably. And I need to eat something. I really haven't eaten anything. I ate like 2 Cool Ranch Doritos. It's ridiculous. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then later on tonight, I need to go to maybe like Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm looking for a cookie cutter for something specific that I hope you guys will enjoy. We'll see. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up. I do have to show you guys that my house is a mess again. All these TJ Maxx bags are unfilmed, so I have things to share with you guys. And a lot of it I don't even remember. What's this? Oh, okay, these are like my beauty products. A little sneak peek. Oh, they had some Shea Moisture wipes. But just all sorts of randomness in these bags that I do need to film soon. But I probably want to go one more time before I do that. Who knows, maybe tonight. And that is it for now, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.